Hello everyone, myself Chandni Yadav. I am a student of BSc Computer Science. Here we discuss about photoelectric effect. Firstly, we discuss about what is photoelectric effect, then laws of photoelectric effect, characteristics of photoelectric effect, then Einstein equation of photoelectric effect. Firstly, we discuss about photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect was discovered in 1887 by the German physicist Heinrich Rudolf Hertz, and then in 1888 Holmes experimentally found that when the light wave of sufficient energy incident on a metal surface, then the electrons are ejected from its surface, and this phenomena is known as photoelectric effect, and the electrons so emitted are called the photoelectrons. Now, certain laws are associated with the theory of photoelectric effect. So, let's move further and discuss about the laws of photoelectric effect. Then the first law of photoelectric effect, photoelectrons are ejected by a metal surface when the frequency of incident radiation becomes equal or greater than the work function of the metal. So h mu is greater than and equal to phi, where phi is represented as a work function of the metal and h is represented as a Planck's constant, and the value of Planck's constant is 6.6 into 10 the power minus 34 joule per second, and mu is represented as a frequency of the incident photon. So this is the first law of photoelectric effect. Now let's move further towards the second law of photoelectric effect. This law states that the number of photoelectrons emitted per second by the metal surface is directly proportional to the intensity of incident radiation. This is the second law of photoelectric effect. Now the third law states that the maximum energy of photoelectron does not depend on the intensity of incident light but depend on the frequency of light. This is the third law of photoelectric effect. Now the characteristics of photoelectric effect. First, threshold frequency is different for different material. Then second, photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of light. Then third, the kinetic energy of photoelectrons is directly proportional to the frequency of light. Then fourth, stopping potential is directly proportional to the frequency. Then fifth, the process is instantaneous. So these are the characteristics of photoelectric effect. Now we discuss about Einstein photoelectric equation. We know that the quantum energy is the energy of light particle. Quantum energy W is equals to h mu, where h is the Planck's constant and the value of Planck's constant is 6.6 into 10 the power minus 34 joule per second, and mu is the frequency of the incident photon, and work function phi is equals to h mu naught, where mu naught is the minimum frequency which is required to cause photo emission. Sometimes this mu naught is termed as a threshold energy. We know that kinetic energy is equals to difference between quantum energy and the work function. Now we substitute the value of quantum energy W is h mu and the value of work function phi is h mu naught. So we get the kinetic energy is equals to h mu minus h mu naught, where the value of mu is equals to c upon lambda and the value of mu naught is equals to c upon lambda naught. So we substitute the value of mu and mu naught in the previous equation. So we get the kinetic energy is equals to hc upon lambda minus hc upon lambda naught. So this equation is known as a Einstein photoelectric equation. So here we have discussed about photoelectric effect, laws of photoelectric effect, characteristics of photoelectric effect, then Einstein equation of photoelectric effect. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you so much.